tan bella. Está toda tan bello. La chiva. Chiva. No.
One world, one ride.
Okay, good morning guys, this is Debashish from One World One Ride, and today we are with Luis at his house and we are in Honduras. So the myths and the reality, right? So Luis, tell me, how safe is Honduras?
Okay, right now as you told, we are here at my house, the safeness of my house.
Correct.
Your house too?
Yeah.
But if you really want to know how safe is Honduras, why we don't go out the street and let's find out?
Yeah, let's go. So we're gonna go outside and check it out and have something. You said you're gonna treat me with the local dish here?
Okay, we're gonna try some local dish here that everybody tries when he comes to Honduras, is the baleadas.
Baleadas.
So we're going to have some baleadas right now.
Okay. So let's go and have baleadas.
Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, good morning guys, this is Debashish here, and today with me is Luis, and he has brought us here to have baleadas. Baleadas is a local dish. Apne India mein it's like Frankie. But we'll talk about Honduras and how safe it is, the myths, like I said last night, that we're gonna discover Honduras, the myths and the facts. Alright, so we'll have the baleadas now and then we will talk about more. But guys, understand this, we are in the street of Honduras and the myths, you get mud, you get this, you get that, you can see, we are safe.
Honduras, the only risk that you have, maybe, if you're going to love it, that you're going to be staying here.
Yeah. So till then, let us have that. Super. Just super.
Oh, yummy. Honduras fridge magnet.
¿Tenés casualidad una bandera de Honduras que sea de imán, que se pegue en algún lado?
¿Como en el refrigerador?
Sí.
Sí. El mapa de Honduras.
Bandera no tenés.
They have good one or big one?
¿Más grande? No, más grande no hay. Grande solo hay así, mira, pero no es así para el refrigerador. Como llavero, para poner llave. Para poner llave. Así. Pero que sea de imán. No.
Oh, gracias.
About the trip.
The total trip will take 10 months.
10 months.
Yeah,
Oh, it's a
but
long
already
trip.
we finished our 6 months on the bike.
Oh,
So we finished our first leg on the Barcelona, Spain. Then we shipped our bike from Barcelona to New York.
to New York.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
From New York to still we are riding up to here.
Now,
Yes.
next,
Next we are going to Argentina,
Argentina.
South America. Then we will finish our second leg.
So you
Your trip?
North America,
North America, Canada.
Alaska. You know Alaska?
Alaska.
Ah,
Okay.
Alaska. Yeah. From Alaska.
Then you travel from Mexico?
Alaska, Canada, America, Mexico,
El Salvador.
Salvador. Belize, Guatemala, and Salvador.
How do you find it here in Honduras with all the news that have been around the world? Do you have any afraid to come here? Do you have any fear? How have you been treated here at Honduras?
Yeah, many years. There's a writer very famous in China. Name is Sam Mao. He write article about Honduras. So many years ago, I plan. If I have chance, I will go to Honduras. It's a different country.
It's nice to have you here. Thank you very much to give us the chance to show in the world that Honduras is not that violent country that people say that we're burning and cooking and eating people here right now.
I know.
It's an honor, really an honor to have
It's
you here.
safe. It's safe. Not dangerous like somebody. Oh, you don't go.
Yeah.
This curfew.
This is all rumors now.
Yeah,
Only
it's
rumors.
murder.
Nothing is here.
Yeah.
All the things are very cool and
Every country have the different. You know, some places safe, some places dangerous.
So far, what can you tell me about Honduras? So far, right now.
Because I have been here less than 24 hours, I can't tell you about Honduras. I've been here yesterday in
Andrés es el culpable.
almost tonight, 6 p.m. I come here and have a rest, have some food. Today in the morning, just from hotel here.
Do you feel any fear? Do you feel any disconfidence walking through Tegucigalpa streets? Do you feel threatened?
No,
Do you
it's comfortable, it's relaxed. I don't feel dangerous or it's good. I hope I will spend awesome time in Honduras.
Okay, I have a very bad toothache, so I need to get my tooth removed, and doctor is gonna remove my tooth. And damn, I'm so shit scared. Look at the instruments, damn. Look at this, oh. First time I'm getting my tooth removed, man, this will be painful. I hope it doesn't pain so much. But in Honduras, I did one, I had got my root canal right now, and now I will be getting one underka tooth which is broken and it need to be removed. So ay.
venido por acá, vos. Thank you, gracias.
Tooth has been removed. Thank you, doctor. You have been very nice. It was a very smooth coming out. So thank you very much, Doc. You are a great doctor.
Estamos a la orden.
And okay, Luis. So.
This man just been through a marathonic dental work that is, the doctor said that nobody have ever suffered and resist what they have done to him.
Wow.
A 1 week job made it in 5 hours.
Wow. Good. Okay, Doc. Thank you very, very much. Thank you very much. So now we are going to go and we'll talk later. Okay, okay guys, so I am in my room. Today I couldn't explore much because it was what? It was 4 hours I was with the doctor. First, I had root canal done on my right tooth, piche, and there was a tooth broken behind last wala, and one of my tooth ka reconstruct broke, so you know it was going bad because I didn't get the time. That is what happened. So one tooth, दो दांत निकालने पड़े और दो root canal. So doctors were quite happy, saying that, you know, I've never seen a patient doing all the 4 at one go. But then we don't have time. But 3 days we are gonna be in Honduras, so I'm gonna explore more of Honduras because Luis is there. And yeah, why people can, because today DJ did an excellent job. DJ went and spoke to people on the street, whether they are afraid of or not, and they are not. So guys, again, part 2. Tomorrow I will be on the street talking to people, and let's see truth and the myth of Honduras. Bye bye. Till then, to all the lovely people who are watching it, good night.
One world, one right.
DJ,
Yes.
why do you come from? Why do you came to Honduras?
We are on the world right, so we stay Honduras. We are just crossing the Honduras, but we stay here because of the love and affection of the people of Honduras.